Welcome to the second episode of STJ Stitch. Alright, we got Steve, Trevor's not here, and Josh. Why don't you tell them about our newest clip series, Josh?
Well, we introduced Roy Atkins, the animal hunter. Now, this man reminds us of Steve Irwin a little bit, as his undying love for nature and the capture and preservation of animals leads him to all across the globe. And now it's led him to the Canadian wilderness in search of the animal, an ex-U.S. Marine. He's trapped in Vietnam. Not sure how he got to Canada though, but oh well. And I think that sums it up. Today we're gonna get the animal. In the past couple years, some say the animal's been spotting around here quite a few times, so we're gonna go check it out. No sign of him yet. Oh! Found him! There he is! The grace of this animal as he goes through the woods is just amazing.
Oh no, they're coming to get me. Why won't they just leave me alone? This man is so weird. Why? Why me? I must run. I must run!
Hey! Freeze!
Oh, crap!
Alright, now we're in the deep woodlands of Canada, and I've tracked down the beast again. And I've just been observing his wildlife, and it's just amazing how he survives. Oh, look, he's drinking now. We can watch him. Just amazing. Oh. Ah! Truly amazing. Too bad we have to kill him. Ah! Ah! Huh? It's just amazing. I've chased him out of his old shelter, and so he's picking grass for a new one. Let's watch for just a few seconds. It's incredible. Seems to have an intelligence of his own. The strength of this beast. Now, I've been looking for the animal for a few days. Last time we spotted him 4 days ago, and we haven't seen him since. Just been looking around all over the place for his den, or his nest, whatever he likes to call it. We're hot on the trail now. We found footprints earlier and some fresh blood. We're hot on his trail now. We just spotted him, but he ran off into the woods, so we're just trying to go around the path trying to find him. Oh, I think I see him. Is that him? Yes, it is. We found him. We found him. I got you now, you little fucker. We finally got the beast, and he's in our captivity right now. Gonna take him back to the zoo, put him on exhibition, let everybody look at him, and then we'll kill him. You know, bury him somewhere nice. But for now, we're on our way. See you in a bit. Alright, time to get you ready for the zoo, you little slime ball. Well, I'll catch you. What? He's gone. What is this bullpucky? How'd he get out? God, this makes me angry as a donkey with a mouthful of bumblebees. I swear, I will catch him again one day. And when I do, he's gonna be hung in a zoo for the rest of his life. But until then, I'm Roy Atkins, and this is Animal Hunting. How are you gonna get back?
I don't know.